Video to. Hello, video to. Rinig na rinig yung video to. No? We're on our way to the museum. We sure hope this is the way to the museum. So, may pa-pillars. Pa-pillars! So, pumunta na kami doon. So, tara, tignan natin. There you go. We like going to museums kasi it's always a piece of history each time. Oo po, dito na po. Ay, di wala po. Ito siya. So there you go. The Louvre Museum and Art Gallery. Diyos ko, by now, alam nyo na may fascination ako sa mga dinosaurs, diba? So, you can just imagine how happy I am. This one. Oh, wow. Yeah. There you go. Then we have actual bones on this counter. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. Doon pa tayo. Hindi kita yung ulo niya kasi nakasakto sa ilaw. Pero halika, nakari natin siya. Ang laki. Although mas malaki si DP. Hindi nasa Herbert. Amazing. Source din. Lock accesses you.
Tingin-tingin sa taas, tingin sa taas. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Patingin pa siya doon. Ayan, 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 Pep. Angat mo yung taas. Ayan, taas mo yung kamay mo. Taas mo yung kamay mo. Ayan, taas mo yung kamay mo, taas mo yung kamay mo. Ayan,
So we're walking on to the next part. Ito mga wow. Charnia. Here we go. Ay, so may art gallery pa pala rito sa second floor po ng Lister Art Museum. These are Lister Museum and Art Gallery. Ayun po yung tama. Ako mali na naman ako. Ito, Blues of the East. Acrylic on paper. Alam niyo po, mahilig po ako magtingin-ting. Kahit hindi naman po ako nakakaunawa ng gusto, hindi naman po ako nakakaunawa ng mahusay. Mahilig po ako tumingin ng mga paintings. Kasi po, meron siyang kakaibang epekto sa akin, sa damdamin ko. It does fire up my curiosity, so to say. Katunayan nga po, 2 araw, 2 buwan ay isinulat ko dahil sa isang painting na nakita ko sa Mega 3-4. Ano ko kung tama pa po pagkakaalala ko ang pangalan ng painting na yun. Hours. The hours na. This is Dazzling Joy. So going back, maganda nga ba Mira. O Miro. Sorry. Acrylic on canvas. So I wrote 2 araw, 2 buwan based on a painting that was entitled Two Moons. Dazzling Joy. This one is also nice. I'm not sure how you say it. Is it cello or celio? Something of that sort. Siguro po cello maybe perhaps. Family. This is very light. It's the Amber Tears. Wow. Amber Tears. Untitled number 6, untitled number 3. Title number 15. Walls of Babylon number 3. See Girls in Easter. Girls in Easter. The Golden Age. Identity Unknown number 1. Blue Hat. Gaganda naman. This is very nice. Continental Traveler. Good na. I like this one too. Sige ma. Halika ma. Mamagay niya. Hi ma. This is Blue Light. Pieces of Her Life. Oh, very nice. Eva. African Woman in Lister. Oh, beautiful. The Blue House. This is very interesting. Burning Candle. Static Dynamic number 1. Ano pa pala rito? Hindi ko nakita. Builder. Static and Dynamic number 2. Oh, these are all beautiful. Oh, wow. That's good. Here naman. Reflections on Constant Warrior by Sata Hashem. Tama po ba? Edited by Dr. Agneta Stalper. These are powerful expressions. This is very haunting. The vision. Homage to the victims of Al-Tahrir, to the victims of sectarian wars in Iraq, acrylic on canvas 2019, 300 centimeters by 300 centimeters. Ang laki, oh. Wow. Tama po ba? Homage to the victims of Al-Tahrir. Tama po. Kapag kakabasa ko, sana po tama po. Forgive me if I mispronounce the words. Naku, pagpaumanhin po ninyo. The Face of Time. This is a very interesting interpretation. Wow. Morning Day. Acrylic on paper. 20th. Ito ibang, I think this is a different collection or section po, no? Nandito po yung mga ngalan. Pura natin, meron po rito parang ngalan. Wow. Agonia, number 1. I hope I said it right. Agonia. Tapos dito sa dulo, meron siyang parang mural of some sort. The large painting, tignan natin ang focus. Ang ganda. Title niya is Scenes from Life in Leicester. Yan. Faces. Even more galleries here. Your mama guys enjoying it. Part naman where we are at the Egyptian exhibits. Ancient Egyptian exhibits. Hi. Mummified? Oo, animal mummies. Oo, mummified siya. Life on the River Nile. And string of lotus beads. Wow. Bud beads pala. String of cowrie. Quarry shells. Naku, baka mali po aking pagkakabigkas. Temple wall fragment showing marsh scene. Ito yan. Yung mga hieroglyphics. First time ko makakita ng hieroglyphics in person. Model boat. Model funerary boat. It's a slab of stone sa pagkakabasa natin that's usually inscribed and inscripted with hieroglyphics in honor of or tribute of a god or a person back in the day. Itong particular na ito were probably erected for the funerary god Osiris sa Abydos daw. Okay. May map. pottery. So this is for farming, this is for food, may food vessels, para mga tapayan sa atin. Beer, interesting, so for beverages and other recreational drinks. Interesting. Oh. Now we come into the part, this one. Okay. These are some mummies, I believe. Oh well. Sarcophagus, kung ako nagkakamali, no? Ang tawag sa mga what do you call this? Yung kung saan nilalagay ang remains, yung coffin ng mga mummies. We have another one here. Actually, dalawa yan. Ay, yeah. Wow. This is my first time seeing mummies in the flesh. I mean, in real life. So, sa kanilang mga coffins or sarcophagus na tinatawag. Centuries of tradition and culture right here. Thousands of years of tradition and culture right here. Wow, big mountains. Kinikilabutan po ako mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, mga kapamilya. Diyos ko, nagkilabutan pong mga ibang lingkod. Miniature models, okay. So ito yung sarcophagus, parang tomb, sa Egyptian tomb. Tama ba? Baka mali po ako. Ayan, basahin natin. Every tomb and burial in ancient Egypt was unique. However, they all had one main goal: to help the dead arrive safely in the afterlife and to allow them to live there comfortably for eternity. The wealthy had elaborately carved and decorated tombs with many different grave goods inside. The poor were often only buried in shallow sand pits with only a few objects. Ancient Egyptian religion favored the wealthy, and many of the objects believed to be required to enter the afterlife were unattainable by the poor. So yun po yung nakasulat dito. Kinikilabutan talaga ako kasi first time ko po makakita ng mummy person. So thank you to the ancient Egyptian gallery. This is a different part naman, more interactive to. Meron pa pala rito. Popping to the shops. Saffron Lane. Pinadaanan natin to kanina, Saffron Lane. Nadaanan natin to eh. So yan, bumaba tayo elevator. Maraming salamat po at sinamahan nyo kami dito sa Lister Museum and Art Gallery walkthrough kasamang Lumangtay, Pele, at Sisa. Again, salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hope you guys can like the video and share it, and as well, subscribe po sa channel. Muli po, maraming salamat. Ako po si Jeff and see you till next time. At sa mga sumusubaybay po ng ating munting vlog, alam nyo naman na ilang buwan kami naghaharap ng churros. So, awa naman po ng Diyos sa ikalawang pagkakataon, nakabili tayo ulit ng churros. Ayan, so nag-aantabay tayo. Nasa ano tayo? Ano ba ito? Basta malapit na sa High Cross Mall eh. Dito sa Leicester, sorry. Lagi ko na lang mispronounce. Okay, magalit. So yan. Mama, sarap ba sa pakiramdam na kabili kang churros? Kasi naman lagi na lang, hindi kami nagtatagumpay kahit sa kami makarating, wala siyang mabili. Sa wakas. Thank you. Nah, I'm good. Yeah. Parang yung huli natin nakita churros sa Piccadilly, no, te? Circus. Oh, sa Leicester Square. Oh, sa Leicester, sa London pa po. So, sa Leicester pala kami makakakita. So, yan na. Mainit yung kape, day. Makionit yung kape. Mag-Janet Jackson. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Ano yung Tera? Sabi mo kay Mama? Yes, ayun lang talaga yun. Diyos ko, hirap ko yung makakita ng churros. Mamaya. Sige, ayan picture daw.